Hello and welcome to the news today on Procyon Radio and Television. I am Evelyn Clifford Harry. First, a look at the headlines. President Tinubu seeks confirmation of three ministerial nominees. Nigerian Labour Congress says new minimum wage may be negotiated. Volleyball League to begin on October 6th in Kaduna Stadium. India arrests 1,000 people in child marriage crackdown. And now the details of the news. President Bola Tinubu has written to the Senate seeking its confirmation of three more ministerial nominees. Senate President Godswill Akpabio read a letter from President Tinubu requesting the confirmation of the nominees when the lawmakers resumed plenary session. The nominees that are to be confirmed are Balarabe Abbas Lawal from Kaduna State, Dr. Jamila Bayo Ibrahim from Kwara State, and Mr. Ayodele Olawande from Ondo State. They are to replace the three nominees rejected by the House. The Senate on Tuesday warned President Bola Tinubu against illegal spending and advised him to seek a supplementary budget for its compressed natural gas initiative. The Senate, through its Committee on Gas, led by Senator Jaribe, urged the executive arm of government to expeditiously present a 2023 supplementary budget to the National Assembly to kickstart the compressed natural gas project. The request came barely 48 hours after President Bola Tinubu announced measures to cushion the pains of fuel subsidy removal on Nigerians. The lawmakers insisted that the law was against extra budgetary spending. The Nigerian Labour Congress (NLC) says the new minimum wage may be negotiated to 100,000 naira or 200,000 naira owing to the rising cost of living. While the union and the Trade Union Congress (TUC) had planned to go on strike on Tuesday owing to the impact of the fuel subsidy removal, after which it was shelved following a meeting with government authorities in Abuja. But according to the president of the NLC, Joe Ajaero, the move was to give the government time to fulfill its part of the agreement reached with organized labor, maintaining that the 35,000 naira wage award is not an addition to the country's minimum wage of 30,000 naira. The federal government yesterday called on governors of the 19 states with confirmed cases of diphtheria to reintroduce face mask wearing at public gatherings. It said the advice was necessary because the confirmed cases had soared to 8,406. The cases were recorded in 114 local government areas in 18 of the 36 states and Abuja. In sports, the Nigerian Volleyball Federation has announced that the second phase of the 2023 National Division 1 and 2 leagues will begin October 6, according to Martin Melandi, the technical director, NVF. The Division 1 and Division 2 leagues are scheduled for October 6th and 15th at the Ahmadu Bello Stadium in Kaduna. Melandi said 11 teams will participate in the Division 2 league, 5 teams in the Men's Division 1 league, while 3 teams will feature in Women's Division 1 league. He said 2 teams from the National Division 1 are expected to be promoted to the Nigerian Volleyball Premier League after the end of the season. And on the international scene, more than 1,000 people were arrested in India's remote northeast during the second government crackdown on illegal child marriage in the region this year, authorities said. India is home to more than 220 million child brides, according to United Nations figures, but the number of child weddings has fallen dramatically this century. Assam State had already arrested 4,000 people, including parents of married couples and registrars who signed off on underage betrothals in an early abolition drive in February. The state's chief minister, Himanta Biswa Sharma, announced that police had launched a second phase of the campaign in a special operation which began in the early hours of dawn. On the entertainment news, Naira Marley's return and arrest has continued to stir different reactions on social media. Recall that the Nigerian police, in an update, revealed the singer had been arrested for investigation. Martins Vincent Ose, also known as Very Dark Man, has shared his take in the trending video. According to Very Dark Man, there is no evidence online about Malian label boss physically touching Mohbad. Very Dark Man in the video added that eyewitnesses like Bella, Shmurda, Lil Smart and DJ Splash are the only ones who can help get justice for the late Mohbad. And with that, we end the news today on Procyon Radio and Television. I am Evelyn Clifford Harry. Keep shining like the star you are.